Well, George had something he thought would be a good idea to show you as a potential new personal watercraft owner, especially with a Seadoo, but this would also apply to Yamahas, Kawasaki's, a lot of the older two-stroke models in particular, as most of the new four-strokes use coil packs. The older ones use a coil with wires that go to each spark plug, and sometimes the ends on these spark plug wires have a tendency to degrade, and you need to clip about quarter to a half an inch off in order to get the best spark possible. Sometimes this can cause a random misfire or a no fire on one cylinder completely. So let me show you what we need to do in order to do this. You've got these two spark plug boots. Now this is a Seadoo 587 engine, the 717, the 657, even the 787, 951. Basically all of the two-stroke Seadoos use this kind of boot. A lot of the two-stroke Yamahas also do, the Kawasaki, pretty much every two-stroke uses this kind of plug boot. And let me show you what they do here. So if you take this and kind of grip the wire and turn this boot like you're trying to unscrew it, it unscrews. So down in there, inside of this boot, there is a little threaded screw that bites into the core of this wire. Now, as you can see on this, there's not much wire there. So we're going to take a set of diagonal cutters here and just snip about a quarter to half an inch off. And see, now we've got nice bright copper there. So now that we've got that nice copper there, what I like to do is take a little dielectric grease or something like that, and mine has exploded out the side here. Just wipe a little right on the outside of the wire, not on the end. Just get it on the end of this wire just a little bit, because that will make reinstalling this boot easier, because it lubricates that cable, so you can just spin this on and thread it in. And essentially thread it in, and you'll feel it kind of get harder once you've got it threaded all the way on. Now at that point, do the same to the other boot, and you're ready to hit the lake. And really that's all there is to it. So now it's your turn. Go give this a try on your personal watercraft and see if it doesn't just get you a little bit better spark and a little more performance. Thanks for watching.